Hi, I'm Adam Rombell, Editor-in-Chief of the Central New York Business Journal, and I'm delighted here to be joined by Joyelle Clance, the Biz Events Manager, and we're here to talk about the 2013 A Time to Build Awards. And Joyelle, can you please tell the audience about what this event program is all about?
Well, A Time to Build Awards recognition event is our fourth year, and we're very excited, presented by First Niagara Bank. We are going out there and honoring and recognizing notable projects within the Central New York region that are within development, construction, real estate, a variety of different projects that pop up and really build this community. And we're recognizing the team behind those projects, whether it's the architects, the construction, the developers, and we are looking for nominations.
Great. So I understand you have a critical date coming up on that front.
Yes, the nomination deadline is April 15th, so there's still plenty of time for individuals to go to the Biz Events website and nominate now, and to submit their project. They can actually submit more than one nomination, and we've got nominations rolling in, but we don't want people to miss this.
Now, these, you explained what some of the titles are. I guess it's a variety of different people that kind of make these projects work in Central New York, right?
Yeah, and there's multiple categories. So an example of some of the finalists and winners from last year was Destiny USA and the Liverpool Central School District, as well as Red House has been involved. There's so many wonderful projects happening that people just are not aware of, and this event helps to spotlight and bring some wonderful recognition to the individuals behind those projects.
Now tell us about, what happens on the day of the event.
Well, the event is happening on May 30th over at the Liverpool Holiday Inn, and finalists are spotlighted with a video on their project, and there is a winner that's determined, and that is based on the judges' scores after all the nominations are received.
Now, is that an overall winner or each category?
An overall winner in within each category. And there's multiple categories, from best commercial project, we've got healthcare facility, best green project. So there are just so many great categories, and if anyone wants to learn more about these categories, again, they can visit the Biz Events website at bizeventz.com.
Great. So get your projects in and get recognized. Again, I'm Adam Rombell, and I was happy to join you today with Joyelle Clance of Biz Events. Thanks.